Oh, good morning. I'm so excited to show you this collection. One thing that's really big for spring is olive green. They're beautiful, they're deep, and they really can be substituted for a black, but they're just fresh and clean. So let me show these to you. They're all $12.99 today and tomorrow. This is an ITY. It has stretch in both directions. Beautiful olive. Just a really beautiful olive color. All of these really coordinate one with another. You can see the snake print has so many different olives in there. And then a cream, you could pair it with a cream or a white. Either way would be beautiful. This has stretch in both directions. I'm just so excited to bring you these. We have just a little bit left of this olive green faux leather. It's reversible. The suede leather, again, $12.99 today and tomorrow. It's just really gorgeous. It does have stretch in one direction, so you can think of all kinds of things that can be done with that stretch. Then we have this beautiful viscose print. Again, $12.99 is just ridiculous. We won't go there. We have stretch in both directions again. Very pretty, lovely, 100% viscose. Then we have a cotton poly blend. This is also an ITY, a little bit lighter than the one before. Everybody can wear olive green. It's just a matter of the shade you get. And also you can put on the bottom. This would be a great pair of yoga pants. This has stretch in both directions. Even leggings would be adorable. The lace, this lace is a poly cotton. You can see it's just absolutely stunning in color. And again, what designers are doing, we'll talk tomorrow night, is how they're layering it over different colors. This is a French terry. Stretch in both directions, 100% cotton. Isn't that lovely? So pretty. And then we have a poly cotton because our camouflages are just so popular. They're everywhere this spring. And we're showing this. This has stretch in one direction. And again, just a great fabric piece. All right, so the goal is with the olive green collection, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.